Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. She is a famous actress with a net worth of approximately $85 million. She has appeared in more or less 20 films so far. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Emma Watson. Emma Watson. M. Ma. What. Son. Emma Watson. Emma Watson is known for her intelligent and inspiring roles, particularly in fantasy and drama films. Some of her top movies include Harry Potter series, Beauty and the Beast, and The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Emma Watson, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.